Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a magic. Yes, the new feature that is ASP.NET Dynamic Entity Data website. You won't believe that you can create a website in 5 easy steps if you have your database ready. Say I have my database with me, table department and table employee. Now I want to create a web application which perform the operations like insert, update, delete and select all on these tables. What is that I need to do? I need to simply start a project or a website that is nothing but ASP.NET Dynamic Data Entity website, and I'll name it as Microsoft Magic Web App, and I'll say OK. In Solution Explorer, I get many different folders and files and XYZ. I need not to worry about that as of now. As I told you, there are 5 steps that you need to perform. The first thing is adding entity data model, the things that we did in our earlier video. So I need to right click and say add new item, and I'm going to add ADO.NET entity data model, and I'll name it as organization model. So add next. I'm going to select both the tables, say finish. That is creating an EDM, entity data model. The second step that I need to perform is adding the namespace, that is Microsoft Magic Web App. Copy this and I'll add this namespace in the global file, and I'll say using Microsoft Magic Web App. And the third step that I need to perform is uncomment a single line of code that I have, that is in register routes static method, and the line of code is default mode dot register context. So I'll uncomment this, and in place of your data context type, I'm going to write my context class, that is nothing but organization entities. I'll copy this and I'll write my context class. And the last step that I need to perform, that is fifth step, is set scaffold all table equals to true. That's it. We are ready with our web application. I'm going to execute this. As we have taken 2 tables in the entity data model, the 2 tables are listed here in a beautiful grid. If I click department, I can perform all the CRUD operations. That is, I can insert a new department with this beautiful form, say cancel. I can edit an existing department, cancel. I can delete an existing department, and I can go for the details about the department. And the beautiful thing is that there is a column or a field called as TBL employee, and say view TBL employee. If I click this, it is going to display me the information about this department, that is all the employees belonging to this PDG department. So as of now I do not have any employees. Then back to home, I'll go for department, If I click on QA view TBL department employees, I get all the employees of that particular department. I have wonderful drop down list. It is going to list out all the employees of admin. So your Microsoft, your Visual Studio, and your dynamic data site identifies that the employee table has a foreign key on department, so it makes a drop down list for department. I'll go back to home. I can click on employee table. I have all the employees listed with excellent paging feature. Back to home, and if we have 100 tables in our entity data model, you'll find all the 100 tables listed here and all the forms associated to each table. So you can explore it more. You can perform each and every operation. You can modify this, you can customize this, and you can use it as you like. But for this video, this is enough. Thank you very much.